कैंसिल कर दो, कोई मत करो।
Sumana Parekh, Ajita Narayana, and Saroj Jalan. Today we have with us the CEO of Six Degree, Mr. Nikhil Hegde. Can we have him here, please?
Hello, hi, how are you?
It's an honor to be associated with the Lakme Fashion Week for the 5th consecutive season, and partnership with them has gone to the stage of partnering the 6 Degree Stage 1, where we're presenting 4 extremely talented designers from across the country, Guwahati, Hyderabad and Calcutta, at the grand stage of the Lakme Fashion Week.
Sorry, no, carry on. I'm done.
Thank you. Yeah. And as you can see, each of the designers have brought some stunning outfits, and to match it, some stunning showstoppers here. So, thanks, Sophie, for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And yeah, the stage is all yours.
Is anyone asking any questions?
Any questions, guys?
Otherwise, somebody asks.
Sophie, tell us about your experience walking the runway and also about your beautiful outfit that you're sporting.
Yeah, I think today I feel really special wearing this outfit because this year, as we're seeing, is all about handloom and make in India, and that's exactly what this collection represents. I think Shamona's done an amazing job. She's from Kolkata, and Baluchuri is a handloom which is a dyeing art. It actually depicts mythological sequences through the clothing, and it's all hand woven, and I think that's an incredibly special thing for a designer to want to invest her time and her money in bringing something like this out. I also think it's a very cool style. I think if you look at girls today, everybody's becoming much cooler, much more on trend. They're mixing tradition with modernity, and I think that's what this collection represents. So I really loved wearing it. It's cool, it's easy. You can dress it up, dress it down. And the one thing that Shamona said to me that I loved is that my collection isn't just for really rich girls. My collection is for working girls who like to dress well. Absolutely. And I really love and respect that, because I think that so many of us independent girls working hard to earn our own money, and we still want to look stylish and cool, and yet somehow connect to our culture. And I think that this collection represents that. So,
Where would you sport something like this to?
you know, I was just telling her backstage that I think these kind of outfits are even perfect for something like a Sangeet, because nowadays when we have to like dance and perform, you want to be light and easy, and you don't want to be worn down by heavy embroidery that you can't move in. So I think it's really cool for something like that. But a skirt like this, you can even just wear it with a ganji and just, you know, wear it to a dinner, wear it to an evening out. You can do anything with it, and that's why I like the collection. Thank you. Thank you so much.